You and me in moonlight's glow, secrets we would never show, laughing loud and feeling high, chasing dreams across the sky, dancing on the cool breeze, whispers floated through the trees. Time stood still when you were near, holding on to you so dear, as if it was only yesterday. We were finding our own way, memories that never fade. In my heart they'll always stay. Waves crashing on sandy shores, finding hidden magic doors. Hand in hand we take the leap into wonders vast and deep. Stars above would light our path, sharing secrets, making vows. Every moment touched in gold, stories of a love so bold, as if it was only yesterday.